So now when I tap on this button, it takes me to this page. What I want to see here now are two numbers that I can add together and then work out the answer. So I want to put two numbers between 1 and 10 into the space here, which is called, if I go into edit, is called number 1. So I want number 1 to have a number in there. And I want this space, which is number 2. I'm going to to edit, which is number 2. So I want to create two numbers, two random numbers between 1 and 10 to put into those two spaces. The person is then going to type in themselves what they think the answer to that sum is. So if we go back onto here, click on here to edit and go to action, and I want to add some more JavaScript. Now what I want to do is I want to set the values of number 1 and of number 2 to two random numbers. Now to set a number is app and then it's set variable. Now again, the order of the capitals is important. It's got to be small s, capital V. And I'm telling it that the variable I want to set the value of is number 1. So that goes inside inverted commas. And then a comma saying what I want to set it to. Well, I want to set it to some random number. And the JavaScript to do that is math.random. And again, it's important that the math has the capital M and the random has a small m, and then there are just two brackets, an open and closed. Now we could put some information in there, but just a moment, we're not going to. So then I need to close the bracket again. So I've got an open bracket here, an open bracket there, so I need two closed brackets to save that off. It's exactly the same for number 2. So Control C to copy that, Control V to paste it, and I want that to be number 2. So set variable number 1 to some random number, and then set variable number 2 to some random number. Okay, so if I click here, and there they are. There's my two random numbers. Now at the moment it's setting two numbers. They're not what I want, so I'm going to have to do some more work on them to get it to be exactly how I want it to appear.